and I represent the 6th generation for the wineries Marco FELLUGA and Superiore. We are located in the northern east region of Italy. We border with Austria in the north, Slovenia on the east, and we've got the Adriatic Sea on the southern part. Very well known for producing white wines. Our 2 wineries are specialized in producing white wines too, and a little bit of reds.
Hello, my name's Anna Dumitriu and I'm the artist.
Hello, my name is Dejan Krasmanovic. I will represent IT company BUBAMARA from Serbia.
Over the past year, our initiative, known as the Internet of Art and Wine, has focused on advancing sustainability and promoting a circular economy within the wine industry by recycling wine waste into biomaterials. Additionally, we've developed the IoT smart cork device, which gathers data from wine barrels to assist winemakers in making timely and informed decisions.
By participating at Better Factory project, our wineries could have and receive very interesting solutions for what is the work on the cellar and what is very important for us, and what we discovered is that can be very important and very significant for us to have straight away some important data that we might not have. It's very important for our business, for our marketing strategy. And the thing is that the smart cork, the IoT smart cork and the e-labeling can be something very unique and performing for what it's going to be in the next future.
Through the Better Factory project, we've achieved several KPIs, including reducing time needed to obtain production process data, development of the smart cork, software for wine production and an e-label AR artwork. This artwork inspires audiences to participate in the circular economy by recycling and reusing wine waste.
As a technology provider, this project enables us to achieve our concept of a smart cork using the tools provided by Better Factory.
From an artistic perspective, the project can help envision a future for the wine industry where as much waste as possible is sustainably reused. The business propositions developed for SMEs, tech suppliers and artists include reductions in inventory and labour costs, along with hazard prevention features from the IoWA smart cork. Additionally, business solutions encompass production enhancements, data management and waste reduction. Marketing potential will be leveraged through e-labelling.
We believe that the IoWA solutions can be a very great potential for us, but not only for us. We would like to spread the voice and involve all the wineries in doing what we did on Better Factory project.
The main challenge we overcame were battery consumption and designing the smart cork to be user-friendly. We discovered a solution that enhanced the quality of wine, not only technically, but also artistically. The process we underwent benefited our solution as it pushed us to go further. Evidence of our collaborative effort includes storytelling that is seamlessly linked to the tech infrastructure of the IoT cork. We transform complex database into visual appealing representations. The result is a coherent and engaging narrative journey that leaves a lasting impression on the viewer. What we gained most from Better Factory was the opportunity to turn our ideas into reality and expand our connections.
It was incredible to work on such an unusual project outside my sphere of experience with collaborators from the wine and technology sectors, and to be supported by the wonderful Better Factory team who pushed me to achieve things that even surprised me. We hope our project will bring opportunities for more people to engage hands-on with biomaterials and bring their own passion to the field.
We hope our solution will introduce to the market a product that enhanced wine production quality and bridge ITV tradition.
We believe the future offers significant opportunities and open markets for our solution. We cannot overlook the need for more sustainable practices and new sustainable materials. I hope to inspire as many people as possible to pause, reflect and engage in the circular economy. My aim with the artistic part of the project is to showcase it globally through galleries, museums and festivals, to conduct workshops and deliver talks, and create a lasting and impactful legacy.
Over the next 2 years, our primary goal is to localize the entire production of smart cork within our country and to expand the market beyond Serbia and Italy.